Green. We are very excited to show and do an instruction video on our new improved 36 plant system. We're going to take you through a step-by-step guide how to assemble the frame and how to assemble the system. It's very easy, and let's dig into it. Okay, here we've got all the components. It might look like a bit of a Lego, but it's very easy to install, and we're going to take you step by step how to assemble the whole system. Firstly, we've got these two connectors. This is going to hold the system frame together on top. Let me get it over here. You've got 4 of these uprights. We're going to show you exactly how to assemble these as well. Okay, firstly, you've got 4 of these connectors. So what we're going to do is stick them in like that, and like that. Make sure that they're nice and tight. First one done. Very nice and tight. Now we're going to take these connectors, push it in nice and tightly over there. And that's it. Here's our frame for the channels. Very easy. Frames everything. Now we're going to do the grout channels. As you can see, there are on the end caps the little supply pipes. The one is high and the other one is low on the other side. So the inflow will be on the high side, and the outflow of each grout channel will be on the low side. So as we put another layer on, you will see the outflow from the low side will go into the high inlet of the next grout channel. Okay. Now we've got all your grout channels on the system. Now we're going to do the plumbing to connect everything together. In your package you're going to have these manifolds. This is your water supply to the system. So this is going to connect on your top tier. Like that. These are going over quite tight fit, but if you connect it and you start running the pump and there's a little bit of leakage, you can just take a bit of plumbing thread tape, or called PTFE tape, put it on, and that should eliminate any dripping or leaks. This is your tank. You'll see there's 3 holes in it. This is your little pump setup. You see it's got a little PVC connector. So what's going to happen is you're going to put this manifold through the holes, and your little pump just connected in there. And you're ready to go. On the other side you've got this connector. This is your drainage connector that goes back into your tank. This gets connected on here. Yeah, as we said in the previous clip, the return pipe will go in there, back to the tank. So your water goes in from the top, it works through gravity through the system, and it goes back into your tank. Also part of the reason with the high and the low, the water falls and that aerates the water. That means there is enough water or oxygen. The water is properly oxygenated, and that creates a perfect environment for good plant growth. Now we're going to do the connectors to connect the various grow channels to each other. I've got these little connector pipes, and it's very easy. Low to high. Nice tightly on the other side as well. And that's it. Your system is fully assembled and ready for operation. The same applies with the thread and PTFE tape. If you've got some drippage on the connectors on the end caps, you can just put a little bit of thread tape, push it over, and that's it. Very easy to operate. We'll do a follow-up video on how to germinate and all the other accessories that comes with the system. But that is the initial setup. Yeah, and it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching, and happy growing. Lastly on the system, we've got our own unique manifold system below here. Basically what that is, you can adjust the valve to regulate the flow through the system, to increase the flow or decrease the flow. The reason for that is the bypass valve doesn't put any strain on the pump, so you can have full control of how much water goes through the system, either increase or decrease the flow without putting pressure on the pump. Now we're going to go through what comes with the kit. Firstly, we've got some clay pellets. We'll go step by step through everything. You've got your net pots. You've got rock wool cubes for germination. You've got a little tube of PVC glue. If there needs anything to be glued, you can glue it. And then you've got your two-step nutrient mix. Okay, starting with the clay pellets. The clay pellets is basically if you want to plant seedlings. It's just to anchor the seedlings inside your net pot. So you're going to put net pots, clay pellets inside your net pot with your seedling, and your seedling will be anchored, and this will just be transferred into your system like that. Your rock wool cubes, this is for germinating seeds. You see it's got little small indentations in it. So basically you'll take your seed, whatever, you put it in there, you put this in a tray with water or a propagation dome, which you can also find on our website. Keep it damp, your seedlings will start germinating, and once it's about 30 to 40 millimeters high, or you see roots coming through at the bottom, the rock wool cube gets placed into your net pot right to the bottom, and your net pot will be put into your system, and the plants will grow. The nutrient system is made out of two. It's called a hydro mix and a calcium nitrate. These are fully water soluble. So for a start, you'll take a teaspoon of each, dilute it into water, and just add it to the tank of your system once a week or every 10 days. And that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for your time, and happy growing. Thank you.